Welcome back to another episode of MK's Kitchen. Today we are making lemonade pie, and we're going to start off with 2 egg yolks, half a cup of lemon juice, and a little bit of lemon zest as well. And then we're going to be taking 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. You can use 1 or 2 cans for this recipe. Doesn't matter. Still gonna be good. We're just gonna pour that on into our bowl, get all of that sweetened condensed milk. I love sweetened condensed milk. It's so good, it's so good, it's so good. And then take your hand mixer and just give that a nice mix until it thickens up. So after a few minutes, it should look something like this. You can see it's a little bit thicker. And we're just going to take our graham cracker crust. You can get this at the store or you can make it homemade, whichever. This is store-bought, but we're just going to pour our lemonade, icebox, whatever you want to call it, into our graham cracker crust. We're just going to smooth that out and try to get it in there evenly. Give it a little shake. Get out those air bubbles, and we're just going to place that in our refrigerator overnight, or you could do it for a few hours if you're pressed for time. And it has been overnight, you guys, and you can see it has thickened up. I have sliced a few lemons into some little pieces. You can see some lemon zest on in there. I'm going to get y'all a little up close. I was going to cut a piece so y'all could see it, but it crumbled a little bit. And I had to take a bite, y'all. It was so good. But this recipe is super simple. I hope you enjoy, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe as always. And I will see you guys next time on another episode of MK's Kitchen. Bye.